You've put decades of love into your home, but now deep down you wonder, will my grandkids care? Or my kids? Or anyone that inherits my house, really? Will they cherish or sell it and move on? In this video, I won't just help you face that question. I'll show you how to use simple, powerful design choices to create a home that they want to keep. Just because it feels like you. Let's make sure that your home tells the story they'll never want to forget. Ciao everyone, I'm Lorenzo, your Italian architect based in London and the founder of Centioni Architects. I make videos to help people like you to design homes that are not just beautiful, but deeply meaningful. I work with all kinds of people, but honestly, the ones who inspire me most are the ones building for the families, for their legacy. As I want you to win, that doesn't mean changing everything. It often means rediscovering the value of what you already have. Ready? Let's dive in. Let's be honest, no one wants to admit this, but I hear it all the time. What if my grandkids just want to sell the house? What if they don't see what I see? You see, it's not just about money and the value of the house once you sell it. It's about meaning. You've lived in this home through hardship, laughter, Sunday roasts. That's very British, isn't it? Birthday parties and quiet mornings. But your grandkids, they didn't really live those chapters. They probably only see the last page. And I get it, that's sometimes quite painful. Because you want the home to hold you, even after you're not around to explain it. It's not about having the trendiest interiors or the biggest kitchen. It's probably about something way more personal. Does your home welcome your grandkids in? Does it feel like a place they belong to, not just inherited? A home becomes truly priceless when it carries a story they feel part of. And that doesn't happen by freezing it in time. It happens when the designs evolves, including them too. Instead of preserving only your style, try to open the door to theirs too. You can design a little corner, for example, where they can play, read, or rest when they visit. Let them pick a photo to hang in the hallway, one that means something to them. Repaint a room together, for example. These aren't just small updates. The memory-making moments that leave a mark far deeper than decor. I once had a client who dreamed of combining two flats, not just to impress anyone, but to make sure that he left a legacy to his kids. We designed cozy nooks for listening to vinyl records, playing video games, and even quiet spots for studying. It wasn't about a perfect layout, it was about creating places where legacy and everyday life could coexist. To me, that's what great interior design really means. Not just beautiful, but long-lasting. A space that adapts with you, yet carries enough heart to be cherished long after you're gone. Okay, so you don't need a full renovation of your home to pass on something meaningful. Try these simple interior-focused design hacks to make your home truly unforgettable. Create a story in your hallway. Mix family photos with personal notes, labels, or even little objects in shadow boxes. Frame a recipe or a love letter or a newspaper clipping from a key date in your life. Hang it in the kitchen or living room. Transform a spare drawer or old chest into a memory box. Include letters, objects, even a voice recording if you like. You see, these aren't just decoration. They are emotional anchors. Grandkids won't throw these things away because they don't feel generic. They feel like you. And yes, let's be honest, sometimes they'll just sell it. Not because they didn't love you, but because life changes. They might live far away, need a different layout, or simply can't manage the upkeep. That doesn't mean that your home didn't matter. It did matter because you gave them the foundation for moving forward. Do you know what I mean? But here's what good design can do for you. It can actually leave a good feeling behind. The soft glow of light in a favorite reading nook. The layout that brought everyone together at the dinner table. The texture, colors, and spaces that told your story without words. A well-designed home doesn't need to last forever to become unforgettable. Even if the walls change, it's the atmosphere of the space and how it made them feel that will last forever in the hearts. That's what thoughtful, human-centered design can achieve. They love it if your home feels alive. It welcomes them, but it reflects you as well. Not because it's perfect or, Pinterest ready, but because it feels like home. I still remember my grandma's apartment in Rome. Not because it was stylish or any fancy, just because it was filled with love. The furniture was honestly quite awful, but I do remember the view from the windows, that it was very specific. I can't even describe it, but it's just something that is stuck in my mind. So I got like a perfect picture of that home since I was a kid. I haven't seen it now for probably, 25 years? It's unbelievable, isn't it? I think that all the memories are really hidden inside those little imperfect details. It's where the soul of a home truly reveals itself. So ask yourself, when your grandkids walk into your home, do they feel like guests or like they've always been part of a story? Sometimes it's the tiniest change that keeps a home away from being forgotten. If this video stirs something in you, share your story in the comments. What legacy are you leaving behind? What do you hope your grandkids will remember about your home? I read every single comment actually, and I think your comments really help other people to get inspired as well. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. I post every Sunday at 5 p.m. GMT. GMT means, Greenwich Meridian Time. Greenwich Median Time, Greenwich Median Time, which means the time here in the UK. As simple as that. Don't forget, let's build spaces that matter not just for ourselves, but for the future generations. Homes don't last forever, but what happens inside can do. I'll see you next week. Ciao.